Okay, these Rendezvous came with 3 engines. I started off with a 3.4 V6. They were pieces of shit. Those suffered so much from head gasket issues. Then they moved up to the 3.5 liter V6, which ended up being a bit better, more horsepower, more reliable, didn't give so much problems with head gaskets. And then they had a 3.6 dual overhead cam V6. And that's really the one worth to go for. It has the power and ended up being a much more reliable engine. This one is an 06 with 55 cab. Has the 3.5 V6. Somebody wanted me to put up the 3.6, but I'll do this in the meantime. So I'll start reviewing. Okay, there's nothing inside the console. These things were really terrible with interior quality. Lots of plastics all over that break apart easily. My dad bought one of these, and the interior was just something from Mattel Toys. Climate control, CD player. This hinge is actually made out of plastic that bends, and they actually end up breaking apart, and then the cover actually falls off, and all what's holding it off is just that little bar right there. I'll let it warm up because it's actually 30 degrees out here. The back seat's a bit on the roomy side. Its cup holder. This is not going to last long. Look how flimsy that thing is. Aztek quality. Pretty much quite a bit of cargo room here. It's quite big. These do come with third seats, by the way, but this model obviously doesn't come with it. V6. It's a pushrod engine. It's a lot better than the 3.4. These lights, they also fade up here. Every single fucking one of them. And then another turn off, and this thing is the 4-speed auto. Ran for quite a bit already. Really lots of cheap plastics all over. You can't deny that. Just hear that clack. There's power down there. Such cheap ass plastics. Paint already peeling off, fading off. Oh, I'm sick of this. I know my dad bought one and I drove it. I just couldn't wait to get out of it. I didn't even look back.